Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Just add a bit of water to a saucepan and place a heat-resistant bowl on top so it is resting on the edges of the pan, but not touching the water. Heat water on low. Put chopped chocolate or chocolate chips in the bowl, stir often, and watch it melt. 2 December 2013.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can use them to melt down for dipping, but because they are more resistant to melting, many people tend to overheat them because they don't look melted. Overheating chocolate causes it to bloom. When melting chocolate chips, it is best to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil per 12 ounces. 6 March 2012.
Take our lead.
Add a taste-free vegetable oil, canola, not olive, shortening, warm milk or cream, or warm melted butter by the teaspoon to the melted chocolate in a saucepan. Stir constantly until the chocolate returns to a smooth state. Use 1 tablespoon of liquid for every 6 ounces of chocolate. Stir until smooth.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.